I've never changed a light fixture before in my life. I'm a genius! What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is kind of part one of a two-part series. I have been working really hard on this entire bedroom makeover. My bedroom this time. I last did my niece's bedroom, an extreme makeover. If you haven't seen that video, I'll definitely link it down below so that you guys can check it out. But this is actually for me. You're not gonna wanna miss that, so definitely hit the subscribe button because that is coming very soon. So this is kind of part one of that kind of whole makeover. My closet isn't in our bedroom. It's actually in a larger closet that's in a different part of the house, but Romeo's closet is in this bedroom. So we're gonna be completely redoing his closet today, so let me show you what it looks like. So this is his very messy and very unorganized closet. I cannot believe he has this much stuff in here, and I think that there's just a lot of dead space. Really important that I put some more shelving in here. There is a light up there, and he can't even turn it on because he yanked the cord so hard that he pulled the cord straight out. So let's get everything out of this closet and then we'll go from there. Okay, we are all cleaned out. It's actually like a really big closet. The next time that he tells me that I have too many clothes and I'm always complaining that I don't know what to wear, I am going to kill him. Oh my, look at all these clothes. What I'm thinking is, so there's already a shelf and a bar here, but I want to put another shelf up on top to make extra storage. And then all of his clothes will hang here, and then I want to put another shelf at the bottom for shoes under and on top of the shelf. So on this side, I'm thinking about doing foot-long shelves all the way down this wall. And then on this side, I'm thinking of putting two bars that will have these little S hooks on them to hang all of his hats. So I'll see you guys at Lowe's. I love those lamps, but not with the Edison bulbs because it's not going to put enough light out. So like 17 for the shade, and then the little pendant is 16. We're back from Lowe's, and I think I got everything that I need. So first we're gonna get started painting this back wall because I really wanted it to look masculine and industrial. So I'm going with darker paint color with all white trim so that it has a contrast, so it looks kind of masculine and different in here. So I picked out this really pretty charcoal with an undertone of green in it. It's called Carbonized, but I am going to change out of this t-shirt. Okay, we are back in business. Let's paint. So after I painted the wall last night, I was just like, I'm just gonna let this dry and then work on the shelves tomorrow. So we are ready to make our new shelves. So we're gonna be creating a brace around the wall for the shelf to sit on with these smaller pieces of wood, and then just sitting it on top, nailing it in, and then we're gonna paint all of these and let that dry, and then we're gonna start organizing. All of the shelves are in this side. That shelves all the way up. I put more space in between these two because I'm actually gonna do a last minute design surprise here. So the next step is to prime and paint all of these shelves white. So I am priming it with some Kilt's Indoor Exterior Primer. I have primed all of the shelves, and literally I've gotten so much paint in my hair. I don't even know how it happened, so whatever. We are gonna be painting the shelves this really bright white. It is in color White Gallery. While we wait for that to dry, we are gonna get started on this kind of hat holder. So when I was at Lowe's, I was looking at the towel holders for like a bathroom. You know, you can fold your towels over a rod, but they're kind of expensive. So they have these little blocks that I cut, and I have these little metal clamps, and I'm just gonna screw them into the wall, and it's gonna hold the rod. Okay, I'm totally in the dark. The next thing I have to do is change out the light fixture. And I've never done this before. But I've watched a lot of videos, but it looks a little scary. I also changed the fixture into a pull cord because there's no switch in here. Any light fixture can become a pull cord light fixture. This is what I'm working with. And I am installing this beautiful cage light in here with a long string. So let's install. My God, I'm a genius! Oh my God, I've never changed a light fixture before in my life, and I turned it into a pull cord right there. Oh my God, I did it. Oh my God, I'm so excited now. I just have such a sense of accomplishment. I love doing things I've never done before. Oh, yes! Okay, now let's make it pretty. Oh my gosh, I feel so accomplished already. I've already done things in this project that I've never done before. The only thing that we have left to do is to put all of his stuff back in the closet and wait for him to get home from his basketball game and see what he thinks. So let's get started. After 2 full days, 3 trips to Lowe's, and organizing every piece of clothing that he has, I officially think that I want his closet now, because it's like that good, I hope. Let's see what he thinks. So he's about to be home from his basketball game right now. Are you ready to see your closet? Are you so excited? Have you ever been this excited in your life? Okay, you gotta close your eyes. Put your hands over your eyes. No, put your hands over your eyes. I don't trust you. No, put your hands over your eyes. Okay, ready? Take my hand. Take my hand. Come. Oh, oh my God. Come over here. Come. Okay, slowly. Slowly.
I'm scared.
1, 2, 3.
My eyes are still closed.
No, open them.
Wow. This is cool. Oh my God, I can see everything. Wow. I have a lot of clothes.
You see your light that I changed myself?
Yeah.
Turn it on, turn it off.
Wow. Oh, this is cool. I can see all my hats now. It seems so much bigger. Wow, this looks really good.
Do you like it? Liked this video, and if you did, definitely give it a thumbs up below. I am redoing my bedroom that I'm currently sitting in. It's gonna be completely different. I've got all this stuff on order. All of this stuff is coming in. I'm really excited and you're not gonna wanna miss it. So definitely hit the subscribe button below because that is coming either next week or the week after. I want it to be perfect, so I'm not gonna rush it, but it is coming very, very soon. So hit that subscribe button and I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.
Oh my god, there's so much space. I can add more clothes.
Subscribe for Kinsley because she's so cute. Are you a dog?